Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. This video is gonna be a quick announcement. I will try to make a live stream from this channel. Judging by the options which I discovered on this channel, which appeared recently, I could hypothetically launch a live stream. Though I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, but maybe YouTube dropped their policy and their criteria for starting a live stream. So I don't know. Maybe I will be successful. Maybe just some kind of trial version. I'm not sure yet, and I can't find any info about it. But if I could run a live stream, this will be great candidate for a live stream. Why? Because this lock needs to be rekeyed. I picked it, and it waits for this key, matching key. This is the key from the same period the lock is, late 70s. So I will try to accommodate this lock to this key, because I don't have its original key. I found this lock at flea market, keyless, locked, and I bought it for a bargain. So because of that, it's pretty long and pita job to rekey such lock, because it's locksmith rekeyable padlock. It's not regular rekeyable padlock. So many problems could appear. Something could jam inside. Practically, it's every time I rekey a Bane padlock, something could happen. Every time is different, and you never know what to expect. So this will be a perfect candidate for first live stream from this channel, if I could run it. If I couldn't, well, that's it, guys. Until I reach 1,000 subscribers, I won't be able to run live streams. So, because of time needed, it won't go into the video, because I like usually shorter videos, but this one maybe could take an hour or maybe more to be rekeyed, because this lock has patina, it has filth inside, it's rusted. This is really great that shackle could come inside. If you could listen, see that you heard that click. Let me try again. That means that parts inside are in movable condition, so it's great. And I will teach you how to rekey non-rekeyable padlock. Many padlocks are locksmith rekeyable. I talked about that feature in some older videos, but you will see how I rekey Bane padlock. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.